Vlookup is a powerful tool that allows us to do lots of different things in Excel, and one of the most interesting and useful capabilities it has is that it lets us read our data across worksheets. Let's say that I have this employee database, but I'm only concerned about the employees reporting to me. Rather than going through the entire employee database and individually copying the age and salary of each employee, I will use Vlookup to generate those values for me automatically. First, I will go here and I'll type in equals Vlookup. Then I will type up the value I want to look up. In this case, I want to match the employees based on their name, so I will click A2. Now I need to put the table array that I'm looking for the values with. So I will go to Employee Database and highlight the entire table. In order for this table to stay the same as I drag it down across multiple employees, I will highlight the entire range, hit F4 to lock in the values. Now, since I want to look up salary, and salary is the third column in our employee database table, I will put a 3 here for a column index number. Finally, for range lookup, I will put false as I want an exact match instead of an approximate match. I hit enter, and we can see that it pulled Luke's 42,000 salary from the employee database into my employees reporting to me tab. Now I simply need to drag this down and it should work for every employee that I have listed. Just as another example, I will now use age. Similarly, it's v equals Vlookup. The lookup value will still be the name. We'll be using the same table array. So again, I will highlight it, make sure that the values stay the same by highlighting and hitting F4. Age is the second column, so the column index number will change to 2, and it is still an exact match, so it will still be false. Now we can see that Luke has 1 year at the company, 42,000 salary, and age 50, and we can see that this matches with our original table. It saved a lot of time as I didn't have to go through repeatedly combing through the employee database in order to find this information.